How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And this is something I wanted to do for the past, previous years, actually, since being in college and stuff like that. And pretty much trying to find out a format to actually do a video like this, where I have listened to a bunch of albums throughout each of the previous years, and then also as this year, and trying to compile a list of favorite albums or favorite songs for each of the albums that I've listened to. And I'd never gotten the chance to find out the right format to, I guess, upload into a video form. So I think I found something. Instead of me just talking about them and be pretty boring and very long, I made it so I inputted the honorable mentions and the top 15 albums plus my favorite tracks for those 15 in just like this little short 7-minute compilation. And yeah, I'm not gonna really stay here too long, talk too much, but just so y'all know, yeah, this is pretty much based on my opinion. There's probably a bunch of albums. It's very more popular in the pop field rather than the hip hop. Unfortunately, I didn't think hip hop was alright for hip hop, to be honest, but I think there's a lot more acclaim in the pop area of things now. But yeah, as you go down to the top 5, there's each of these songs. I pretty much made it which songs I played more, and not just the whole objective view of how good the album is, like in terms of content. It might be shitty ass content, but like if it's my replayability also plays into account. So that's just really how I pretty much rank them. And yeah, if y'all have any opinions you want to put in, your top 15, top 10 albums, please listen down in the comments below. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.
I got babies on my ceiling. I'm steady plotting, now I'm copying cause I'm eating. Remember when they wouldn't let me in? Now their wages just a day's.
It was just a mirage. They had me chasing statues, that's on pride. Oh my God, Buster, that's on tribe. When I thought the book of Job.
Oh, it's past time, I'm thinking of you.
Just fuck a piece, I want the whole pie ground. Money taller than a gyro. Fun swayed by the mic stand. Have you ever had your one night stands? I'm an emperor.
Head is in the cloud with my stomach below. Something about this feeling, I felt it before. Took this pill and it swallowed me whole.
You keep talking, bitch, then you can die with him. Ayy, might drop on the ground, the squad did it.
Ayy, wanna make it right, come on.
Do you wanna stay together?
Too soon, but I'm here for the last of support. No, it's just unfair. Jet black hair, baby, jet black hair. At least 2 grams of your blunt wrap there. These 2 hands always live on the
what I heard in the night, what I fried. Must have been a parasite in my past life. I don't wanna ever come down from a high. My soul was sending to the sky. It's just you and I. Got my arms feeling to a light.
Confessions of an addict. How they let me sing to the masses. Lost what I had, staring in the face of tragic. Like I didn't just back to black it.
Stayed in my own lane, never sidetracked. I serve, let me prep it, let me dice that. You little rodents when I fell into my mind's track.
So cold as the moonlight glows. No, we don't give a fuck. We ain't gotta change a thing no more. Hey, yeah. On my hands and see the do or die. Don't even try to save my life. He wants to be better, just like all my heroes that I never met, but I think I'll just settle now.
Said, damn, fuck a Hummer truck. I'm aiming for the top, I'm steady climbing. Fuck a runner. I was broke as fuck,
Down on for my ass, had the lowest luck. Used to ride the bike like a coaching. Nigga Shaq and Kobe. Like back in 03. I was only like 6. I was like 16. But I can give her 16. I can make a bitch scream. That's a bit extreme. And eventually flying. Lately been mentally crying. Niggas resenting me. I am not for the industry line. Life's a dream, but nothing's gonna hold every time there is you. I'm riding for you. What's your love for real? Rain is going everywhere. Tormented every day. I'm losing my mental sorrows that I've been through. Story to be continued. Like I could be someone other than myself. Like I could find a little heaven up in my hell. Yeah, I know it never ever end well. Yeah,
yo, get the start, it was too good for MySpace, yo. Had the iPod touch with the Rex, no CD, but you can pirate all the apps, though. They would have security cams by the back doors. Nigga, this was LimeWire. Yeah.
Step 6. Mix and add your hook.
New chores, got some bread in mine. I want the 2 doors, ain't no give a rise. Oh, you
do the text of my bros. I'm just glad nobody's shooting texts of my bros. Cause to not be in the bay got me stressing so much. Me time zone every day.
I'm a 5, and I'm only 24, but bitch, I've been through it all. I got so many hits, can't remember them all. While I'm taking a shit, look at the plaques on the wall. But I'm gonna say no. It's what it is, it's how I live. Hard to please. No, I feel you crumble in my arms down to your heart of stone. Block up, niggas fire once, but I assume it's a chopper. Why they hit that man with the boom shaka? Lock up, if he got the scope with the zoom shutter.
They thinking that they know me for real, cause they only see me on a poster for real. Don't test my dog, they got holsters for real. Fuck a pop talk, what it do? See, Ricky said never let nobody get the one up on you. If they run up on you, hit them with a 1-2. When my eyes go red, I'm sure I'll find it. Know what I mean, know what I mean. I'm sure I'll try. Murder man, someone better hold me before this shit gets ugly. Murder man, murder man.
Call my friends and tell them that I love them, and I'll be sure to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever. You said don't treat me badly, but you said it so sadly, so I did.
You're mine. Please don't leave me now. Please don't leave. Running out of spells. Let's make you love me. Secrets.
Moments, and we gon' act like it don't hurt us, but it hurts, don't it? We walk around with the devil talking on both shoulders. Wish I could tell you that he disappears when we get older. Conversation and talk about a bunch of things that I don't feel amazed with. Getting too close to me, whoa, could be dangerous. I don't like that energy. Where'd the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the pain.
And after all that we've been through, there's so much to look for. Sorry if I'm up and down a lot. Sorry that I think I'm not enough. And sorry if
I'm strength of mine. Hey, if it's good, then it's good. Break it down, this shit is out of my hands. Into the clip and go into the kimber and hit your spine. Brittany, this is a sign. Pray you grow healthy and hit your prime. Ooh, I should pray for a better line, but I don't want. I wanna rock your world. I wanna be your girl. You wanna take me out, yeah. Take me out, yeah. They never take. He's talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So, but no, I don't want your.